KvCORE Open House. Let's talk about KvCORE Open House. This is the Apple version where you can download it at the Apple App Store. And this is the Google Play Store where you can download it. This app is for you to use during open houses. So instead of using pad and paper to get people to register at your open houses and give you your email and phone number, this is the app that you use. So let's get into it. This is the app. We're going to go ahead and register a new open house. Those are the open houses I've done in the past. So I'm choosing this home in Loomis, and we're going to say start, and it confirms the open house. It confirms the address. Now you choose some questions that you want to require your open house participants to fill out. Other questions that you could ask. I really don't ask these. I'd rather have these be questions I ask in person, so I just leave those alone. But that's the basic setup of it. It's not hard to do. You go in, you verify it. Some choices you can make to put in the listing, bedroom, bath, and square footage. And then that's the basic setup. It's not hard to do. I am putting in a hashtag. Hashtags are important that we can track and monitor your leads. I'm putting in an open house hashtag, and I'm also going to put in a demo hashtag just so that I know that this is a demo open house. So now I have my hashtags in. I'm going to create a pin. 1, 2, 3, 4 is what I'll use for this. And now you launch it. And you can see it's digitally branded with your info on it. It has the agency, your contact information, confirms the property. And so for my demo, I'm going to stick with my hairband theme and go with Vince Neil. And then you put his information in. I'm putting in the email address for his management company. Throw in the phone number. And this is something you can do, or you can give it to the person coming into the open house. You can choose how they heard about the open house, and then you submit, and this is the end screen that pops up. And then you can go ahead and add another one. That's the basics of it. It's not hard to do. It's the KvCORE Open House, and there are smart campaigns that turn on. So this is the KvCORE platform. This is the dashboard, and I now want to show you where that lead has registered. It's right here. It's Vince Neil. It had registered 32 minutes ago. As you can see, the hashtags are assigned to it. The Open House app assigned its own hashtag. There's the hashtag I put in, Open House and Demo. So they show up as a function of the app. Over here, the Smart Campaign for Open House is automatically attached to this contact, and it'll start running. It has 13 points of contact. Some of those are phone calls that are assigned to you. It gives you a summary of the information. But the cool thing about this is that now you're out there picking up your open house signs, and the platform through the app is working for you to communicate with that lead. No lead left behind. If you're going to spend a weekend, a Saturday, a Sunday, a Friday, whatever it is, doing an open house, you really want to get the open house app working for you so that those leads are in your platform and you can turn on the automations. What I do following up through the platform is I'll turn on search alerts, I'll put in a market report, I'll put in a listing valuation. All these automated things I can do to enhance my value to that lead that walked into your open house. That's what the app allows us to do. So I hope you found this information useful. Go out there, use the Open House app. If you have questions about how to set it up, I showed you in the video, but if you have further questions, just give me a call. I'd love to help you out.